Tim Klein has HIV. Oh no, Timmy. I'm almost up here to mow. I'm gonna try to scare him again. If you didn't catch it last time, here's the link. Scared the crap out of it. Let's try to do it again. He already sees me. He wasn't turning his back. He's already facing me. Oh well. I gotta let him get his guard down. We'll get him next time.
Like Mo, and I hit the Tug Fork of the Big Sandy River. And it was like Saturday morning. The water was low. Like we still had to go. We found the river's flow and stuff. And oh my god, we bumped and scraped on big huge rocks. It was like so low. We liked kayak every Saturday. And oh my god, we found this guy Eddie. We like caught eddies and stuff. We fired the river. Then we like attained the river. I still have like a lot of work to do. But seriously, like thanks for watching.
Thank you.